Alright, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to be giving away the ink splatter transitions that you're seeing on screen right now. So if you like them, follow the link below to download it, and then stick with the video because it's not as straightforward as just dragging and dropping them onto your videos, but it's still way quicker than if you were to make something like this from scratch. So let's get right into the video then. Okay, so once you download it, you're going to see this folder, inksplattertransition.zip. Just decompress it, and this is what you're going to get. 3 videos plus the Inksplatter DRFX. I have this folder here just for this tutorial. So to install it, what we have to do is go into the Fusion page in Davinci Resolve, and then click and drag the DRFX folder into there. It'll ask if you want to install, hit yes, and then to get it into the edit page, we have to close down Davinci Resolve and open it back up. I just hit the keyboard shortcut of Control Q to do that. And then I'm going to open up a new project here. Perfect. Now I'm going to build a quick scene using this video right here. Perfect. So to use the transitions, we just have to go into video transitions in the edit page, and then we'll find the ink splatter. They all have a pink icon there. And if I wanted to use this one, you can already see the problem. And media offline doesn't work. Now, I've actually made this particular one to be 2.14. I couldn't figure out how to make it lock into that length by default, so just drag it out longer whenever you use it. But to make it work, right-click on the transition and open it in the Fusion page. From there, go to your media pool, and we're going to have to open up the power bins. If you don't see it, just click this little icon in the left here. Open up your power bins and save it to wherever you want. So I'm going to open up this ToonSquid folder. Just click and drag those into there. You're never going to have to do it again. That was a one-time step. They'll be there forever from here on in that power bin for you whenever you want to use it. So from here, open up the ink splatter transition just by double-clicking on it, and delete the media input that's at the very bottom. In this case, since we're using the corner transition, I'm going to click and drag the ink splatter corner, line it up to the transform node, and there it is. It just works. Now, if we wanted to use a different one, go back to the edit page, delete the transition. Let's go into this dripping one. I made this one a little bit longer as well, but we have a little bit of play at the end, so if you make it a little too long, not a big deal. Open it up in the Fusion page, double click, delete, put in the dripping, align it, and there we go. It's that easy. So it is still way quicker than building it out yourself, but if you get the length wrong, you're going to get this little black bit at the end. Just shorten it back down to where you don't get that little black section, and there we go. It works, and it's still way quicker than making it from scratch. Alright, and just so you know, these are hosted on the ToonSquid website. That's my company. We make royalty-free music. It's available for free for streamers and content creators, so grab that while you're there anyway. And I'm going to be making more of these transitions, templates, title effects. So whatever you'd like to see, let me know, and I'll try to hook you guys up with some more free stuff. The transitions are going to be set up as a pay-what-you-like system, which means that if you want to donate, fantastic. It's going to help me create more content for you. So let me know what you'd like to see going forward, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.